going on, guys? This is Grandage Plays and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, guys, we're gonna be completing the Aquaman event. Now if you guys haven't heard about this event, guys, it's basically like an event where you can like get stuff, and that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'm gonna be attempting to like complete this event. Alright, guys, so yeah, I just opened a new gun, so we're gonna be playing this game. So I currently have a freezing gun, which is kind of dope. Alright, so my current mission right now is to steal 10 pearls and get 50 kills. Alright, your boy can do that. Alright, but let's do that right now. Alright, let's do that right now. So, gotta be careful on this one, because there could be a lot of guys that trying to kill me right now. So let's be careful, alright? Alright. So I believe the bank is like somewhere here. I'm not entirely sure. But I'm supposed to steal 20 pearls, right? And which is at the bank, right? So yeah, but let's go find some people and let's kill them. Oh wait, we got a boy over there. Alright, hold up, we got a boy over here. Boy, die. Yeah, boy trying to kill me. Die, bro. Damn. Take the L, boy. Alright, so far got like 2 kills. I'm not like scared yet. Is that a bad guy? Wait, oh no. I don't think let's kill him. Alright, we only got like skins for that one. Hopefully there's like no hackers in this play game. Alright, we killed him. Oh crap. Damn it. Damn it! Frick! Got killed. Alright, let's keep on going now. Alright, let's go to the alright, let's go over there. That's where we're supposed to go right now. Alright, let's head over here and oh wait, we got an enemy right there. Let's go shoot him. Wait, the bomb's been deployed. Alright, now let's go take the pearls right now. Alright, let's go take the pearls. Oh shoot, we got a boy over here. Alright, got him. Alright, that guy's on my team. Alright. Oh shoot! Bad guy! Yes, we got him. Alright, we're gonna have to deploy. Alright, we're gonna have to. Oh wait. Watch out! Kill that boy! Kill him! Yes! Oh crap, I also went oof too. Dang it. Alright, let's just keep on going. Boy, this place is gonna be deployed any second. Now we gotta hurry. I think we'll make it. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah. Alright, we're gonna get some kills here. So far, I got like 4 kills, and I only freaking stolen one. Oh my god, freaking! Are you serious? Oh my god. Alright, we gotta kill that boy right over here. Alright, let's do this. No, I don't want to do that. Alright, alright, we gotta open that vault, alright, so we can, like, steal the pearls and stuff like that. So this is just gonna be a part 1, and I'll do a part 2 later or so, guys. But, yeah, we got a boy right over there. So, damn it! Frick. Alright. Like 4 kills. Okay. Alright. Jump! Dang it. We have to wait for a while. Halfway up there. So he's at the rooftop. Oh yeah. Oh my god, someone's trying to kill me right now. Literally. Oh my god, it just flew up in the air. Dang. Oh my god. Alright, we ain't gonna give up, guys. This is gonna be like a kind of long video. I don't know, guys. But yeah, alright, let's go complete Oh wait, someone's trying to kill me right now. Get that boy. Dang it! Yes, we got him. Alright guys, we just got a kill over there. Alright. So we just got a kill over there. Alright, let's keep on going. Alright, down here. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Yo guys, so if you don't know where I'm at, I'm currently in Latvia, Riga right now. Alright, my current location is Latvia, Riga. I'm in like an apartment building. I'm just staying there for like, I don't know, until. So basically guys, I got my trusty laptop with me, but I'm uploading this video on the so basically I'm uploading this video on my Instagram place and Grenades Place channel, guys. So on my other channel, I won't be uploading there because I forgot to bring my camera. So yeah, I did not bring my camera, so I wasn't able to record till I, get back and stuff like that. But we just got freaking killed there. Alright, we're not giving up that easily. This is going to be like a 10-minute video. Yeah, it's going to be a 10-minute video. This is going to be a 12-minute video, guys. We're just grinding out here, trying to get that Aquaman backpack thingamajig. But, oh wait. Oh, someone's up there. Damn it. Alright, we got that boy up here. Shit. Damn it! Oh my god. Shoot. Okay, whatever. Like, my main goal is like to complete this event. So yeah, Alright, let's find some more people. Wait, we got a bad guy up there. Kill that boy up there, boy! We gotta kill that boy! Fucking die, bro. Oh, both of us got killed. Okay, whatever. Alright, let's go up over here. Trying to grind out this game, and someone literally sent me a message. Alright, let's ignore that. Trying to grind off here. Put that boy down. Crap, oh, trying to kill me. Alright, do this. Alright, let's dodge this bullet. Oh crap. Oh Jesus. Jesus. No! Oh, dang it. Shit. Oh, frick. Well, let's go find some more people. Seems like I don't got a lot of people in here. Just recording on my MacBook right now. Literally, let me get a kill. Oh my god, that was a close kill, guys. Alright, let's go over here, guys. So far I got like 5 kills in this video, which is kind of bad. Like a noob version, I think. Damn it! Wait, let me go to the shop and my guns. Wait, I'm gonna. Okay, whatever. My computer's like freaking lagging right now, but. Okay, whatever. We'll have to stick with that, I guess. That boy over there. Yes, I got a kill. Teammate. Yeah, that's my teammate. I forgot about that. Oh crap, we got a boy over there! Kill that boy, that's fine. This is my main enemy so far. Oh my god. Oh lord. Damn it! Great. Yeah, but we just got a kill, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. die. Oh my god, I went oof. That guy's dead. Just got like 6 kills so far in this video. God, alright. Look for that, boy. Damn it! Back, get out of here. Okay, that thing's gone. Let's keep on going this way. Alright. Enemies? What took the enemy's team? Oh crap. Alright, so I'm not used to my yes, we got a boy. We killed him. Yeah, that guy took the big fat L, guys. Oh, there's damn it! That guy got me. Crap. Alright, no, I don't want to waste my things just like that, bro. No. Alright, wait, we got someone up there. Yo, the last guest 4 is gonna be coming out tomorrow. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be coming out tomorrow. Damn it. Wait, guys, I gotta check the time zone of do this. Alright, so basically we gotta check out my time zone of when the last guest 4 is gonna be. So 6 p.m. GMT time to Latvia time. Alright, so it's gonna be 8 o'clock. It's gonna be 8 o'clock, guys. So 8 o'clock tomorrow. Alright, guys. So it's gonna be tonight at 8 o'clock, guys. So I'll be watching it, guys. Alright. But I'm just on like a Vietnamese type of computer. Alright, we just checked out my time zone thingamajigger over there of when it's gonna be released. So it's gonna be released in like 8 o'clock. Alright, guys. So 8 o'clock it's gonna be released. So yeah, alright. Alright. So that's when the last is gonna be released. Oh wait, let me get one more kill down off the end of the video, guys. Alright, guys, so off the end of the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in part 2. Peace out.